What is up, guys? You guys already know it is time for another video drop on the 1997 Trans Am. But before we get started, let's go ahead and jump in to your guys' one ultimate and only shout-outs. Let's get her done. Dreamwolf, thank you for that subscribe. Griffin Wyatt, thank you for that subscribe. Adam Gurich, thank you for that subscribe. First Last, thank you for that subscribe. David Owens, I appreciate that subscribe. Dick Screamo, if I think I pronounced your name right, but let me know if I didn't. Sapphire89, I appreciate that subscribe. Isn't that a flower? What is up, TBC squad? Welcome back to another video slash vlog. Today we're going to be going back to my client's house, getting started back onto that 1997 Trans Am. We got to take out those spark plugs, which I still got to locate. We got to drain the fluids inside that car, which is radiator and also motor oil, which has been sitting there for quite a while, so we got to get that stuff out. Also, we're going to be working on that alternator. Now, remember that, guys, from the last video, I told you guys I was going to take it out that day, but we ran into a complication. Rain started happening, so we're finally going to be able to get that out, put a new one in, start the car, make sure that she runs, make sure the battery charges. If the battery doesn't charge, then there's something else going on with that, and we'll run the diagnostic when I'm there. Today's project is, well, you guys already know this one. It's carpet time, and tomorrow we're going to be doing, or we're going to go get the alternator and some spark plugs, so that'll be tomorrow. But today, this nice beautiful carpet that was once clean is, well, it's a little dirty now, but it's okay because it's gonna get vacuumed. We got the padding I gotta put in there, I gotta put the carpet in there. Before I start, let's get this thing cleaned out. Alright, so now she's cleaned up. I took everything out, pretty much everything. I cleaned up over there a little bit, tried to sweep up all that dust and stuff that was marked in there. That powder stuff is just so that mold or anything like that will start happening down there. Now it is dark outside. The clouds are starting to look kind of gray. This is pretty much how it's gonna look, guys. There's the other side right there. Beautiful. The passenger side. Beautiful. It just needs to be wiped down. Just has a lot of dirt on it right now. On the other hand, check out this carpet. Goes all the way back to the feet. Same as the driver. Looks pretty clean. Other than that, guys, this car's, it's coming together finally again. Got the carpet in, got the two back center panels in, which really helped out. Really looks really good, actually. I can't wait for this car to be done. We're gonna be putting the side trims in and stuff like that. Start getting the inside of the interior put back together. This door is now fixed now, so I can go ahead and do that speaker on this side, put the controls on this side, and this side will just be 100% done, the panel and everything. So I can't wait to do that. The back of the trunk, cleaned. We finally cleaned it. The carpet, you can tell, lines with the car very, very good, actually. I didn't think it would, but looking at it now, it aligns with it pretty damn good. I'm impressed. Check out the door, guys. Holy moly. Look how nice and clean this door came out. We still got one more door to do, but if you could look, all the seams are pretty much cleared. It actually came out pretty nice. Once you shine this door up, it's gonna match. I'm gonna get started on this door over here. Put this on the table, and then we gotta put, obviously, this thing back on. And this is not easy, if you guys think it's easy. Definitely not. And I gotta put that foam stuff back on there again. And other than that, we're gonna go ahead and get started on this last door. The speaker is finally in the door. This is the passenger side. Look how much more neater that looks. Like, it looks clean as hell. I like it a lot. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is put this panel back on this door because this window's fixed now. We just are waiting to get that window fixed, so we're not doing that door yet. But we are still doing this one. So I'm gonna put that panel on, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. We've been putting off the engine. I know I've been saying that we're gonna be doing the engine, but we had to put it off one last time because of the fact of us running into a little problem with the rain here in California, so we didn't know if it was going to rain. We didn't want to lift up the car and start doing work on the engine if it's raining. We decided, let's wait until next week. We'll wait one more week. Hopefully this time it's not raining. But the carpet really did come out really good. I'm really impressed with how this carpet actually lays in this car. Like, it even smells like brand new in here, guys. If you guys are here right now, it smells, it feels like the carpet alone feels very soft. Next time I come through, I'm actually going to head and put some glue right here, glue it to the edges, because now it's already been sitting in here and it's already pretty much taken form of the car, so it's always good. And then we are probably going to put the back seats in, start putting panels in. The car is coming together finally, guys. We got the 2 back panels in there, the speakers in, the carpet, the radio, the AC, the dash. I still need to glue that down. And now we're doing the door panel. So this car is moving pretty fast now. It should be done in the next, I don't know, maybe a month from now. This car will be 100% complete. We also taken it to the paint booth as well, because as you guys can tell, like, even without like getting this off, this gooey stuff from the tape that we had to tape the window shut, but if you actually look on the car, the paint is kind of faded. It's not that pretty glossy white that it used to be. So we are definitely going to be taking it in, getting the paintwork done, trying to get it as good as we can before we sell it. And we are definitely cruising with this girl before we do sell her. She's a work in progress though. I'm gonna go get that door panel, put it on, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like from that point on. Guys, so this is the end of this week's progress. We're gonna leave it here. There's only one little plastic part that we forgot to put right here. So I didn't screw the door down, the panel down, but I just wanted to show you guys what it actually looked like on the door. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Once you wipe it down, it's gonna have that gloss feeling. The speakers are white because the seats are black and white, so it's gonna go with the car. You know, it's still sticking with the theme. I think that's a most amazing idea right there. It's beautiful. And we use like alligator skin right there. Makes the car look really good, actually. I kind of like it a lot. It actually looks really good. And then, of course, I have to re-wipe this down again because that's dust. Alright, guys. So that pretty much includes this week's final, getting closer and closer as we get there towards the last project of this car. Door panels are going in, you got panels going everywhere. We got things painted finally. We're going to be putting things back into it. So stay tuned. If you have not yet hit that subscribe button, don't forget to smash it, because there's going to be plenty more good content, and you're going to want to see what this baby looks like when she is done. And if you guys want a special shout out for yourself, that is all you have to do, is smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell on the side. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the section down below. Once again, I'm Tough Bills, guys. Always remember, it ain't tough until you build it. I'm changing it around. Let me know what you guys think. But anyways, the jackets are also 45 bucks. If you guys do want to pick it up, just let me know. Email me. That's all you have to do, is PayPal me the 40 bucks and send me your address and all that stuff, and I mail it right to your house. Gets deleted off of my desktop once I do send it. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'll see you guys next week.